Let's focus more on the weather now. Dylan is in for Al, and Dylan, a lot of people want to salvage their holiday weekend.
Was it not the worst weather you saw on the East Coast this weekend? I want to put this into perspective. We've been talking about record low temperatures, but there were also record low high temperatures. Okay, so it hit 51 degrees in New York City, right? The coldest it's ever been on yesterday's date was 54 degrees, set back in 1884.
Wow.
So, I mean, it's never been this cold and miserable.
And wet.
I mean, we saw about 3 to 5 inches of rain across the area. The good news is this area of low pressure is finally moving away. Not good news for New England, because we are seeing a lot of that heavier rain now across New Hampshire, up through Maine. As we go into this afternoon, we'll start to see it finally pull away. The winds will ease. It'll be less damp. We'll lose the heavy rain. However, you go back to the plains, and that's where we're going to see our heavy rain today. Flash flood watch is in effect. Another 3 to 5 inches of rain possible in this part of the country. And there's a good chance we could see some flooding because of that, because the ground is totally saturated. Oklahoma City, you are about to be inundated with another round of heavy rain, and this will stick around through Tuesday as it slowly moves into the Midwest, and this will be the next rainmaker for the Northeast as well. So, again, we are looking at another 3 to 5 inches of rain in some areas, so flooding could certainly be an issue, especially down through Texas into Oklahoma and into parts of the Midwest. Chanel.
All right, thank you, Dylan, and she'll be back with a full forecast in just a moment.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Find your favorite recipes, celebrity interviews, uplifting stories, shop our favorite deals, and so much more with the Today app. Download it now.